In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track time manually in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing a small team or just want to ensure that you have an accurate record of your work hours, knowing how to manually track time in Hubstaff is a crucial skill. It allows you to add time entries directly, ensuring that your timesheets reflect all the work done, even if you forget to start the timer in real time. So, let's dive in, step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the main dashboard of your Hubstaff account. Once there, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find the Timesheets option. Clicking on Timesheets is your first step. This section is where you can review current and past time entries for your team or yourself. It's a centralized space to manage all timekeeping activities. Keep in mind that accessing this area might require specific permissions if you're part of a larger organization. So verify your access rights if you encounter any issues. After accessing the Timesheets section, look for the option to Add Time. This feature will enable you to input time manually. Clicking on Add Time takes you to a new screen where you'll enter the details of the time entry you wish to log. This is especially useful for adding missed time or logging work hours completed offline or away from a network connection. Next, you'll fill in the details. This part requires precision, so make sure to double-check your entries. You will typically enter the date and exact time the work started and ended. Remember, accuracy is crucial here. Enter the project or task you're logging time for, and jot down any notes that may help justify or clarify what the time was spent on. Notes can be invaluable, especially if you or a manager needs to review the purpose and context of the work later on. Once you've filled in all the necessary information, it's time to save these changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the bottom of the entry form. Click this button to ensure all your manually added time entries are recorded correctly. Saving locks in your data, and you should see it immediately reflected back in your timesheet. If there are any issues with the data you've entered, Hubstaff will typically highlight them here, prompting you to make the necessary corrections before proceeding. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently track time manually in Hubstaff. This capability is especially beneficial for maintaining an accurate record of all work activities, ensuring that no effort goes unaccounted for, and helps in optimizing productivity and project management. With this knowledge, you're now better equipped to use Hubstaff to its full potential. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, be sure to consult Hubstaff support for further assistance.